Hi everybody, so I've set up some online workshops through May. Two of them are free and two of them are paid for, only £5. They all last about an hour, and there'll be a Q&A afterwards for about 15 minutes as well. I've got two free workshops which are going to be the same workshop twice, one of which I'm hosting and one of which is hosted by Essex Easter Jazz course. And in that workshop, I'll be taking you through my 6 simple steps to improvising. And this is the basis of the process that I use in my Beginner Jazz Soloing series of books, which are published on Amazon and Kindle. And it takes you through how to turn a scale into improvised melodic phrases that you can then use for soloing or composing your own tunes. The other 2 workshops, the paid workshops, are the sort of thing I'd normally do in my regular jazz workshops, where I take a tune and we take it apart and see what's going on, see what's involved, see what the ingredients of the music is, and then how we can use that and those concepts and ideas that the composer has used within our soloing. So we take what's in the tune and we take those ingredients and we use that for our solos. When you sign up for the workshop, what you need to do is click the links below, and that will take you through to my shop on my website, my online shop. And in there you can check out through the process on the shop, and once you've done your checkout, what you'll get is a PDF to download, and on that PDF are the links that you need to join the workshop, one of which is the Zoom meeting invite. And the other link in there will be all the handouts and workshops, more PDFs, notation. There's warm-up exercises, there's the sheet music for the parts for the music, and there's some theory and harmony and some exercises in there as well. So as soon as you sign up, you'll get the PDFs that you're going to use in the workshop, so you can look ahead of that and do some practice on that before the session. And the other link is the thing you need to click on at the time of the workshop. There will be a registration process, so as you click the link, you'll come through to the waiting list, the waiting room, as I check everybody off the list to register for the workshop. So, if you've got any questions, drop me an email, and hopefully I'll see you at one of the workshops. Thanks very much. Bye for now.